Sevo Makwaba at about the POG political media. So see a dear Biasa just oh my Ghana a manual stem na yesu yatanasi na yajibre ni abo be see the babesum POG abedafo na almost one no matter the ekoso and the eba oh my Ghana a manual sim na asana ebepo e de ra enensim said they die in message so for POG media so now on subscribe to a POG any day and go council or bet your post subscription now I like you media no I share no for so and so at me I can so no matter the air coso a woman can among sim na po e the rain sim money a po e the rare a year no be about or between a year Abr0nyé's and a year of Sofopon a year Dúncan Williams. Now, in same matches, and also a bit here, and as I mentioned, I see fire binding and say a year. Nancy Moyeti, whom we say we are John Dramani Mahama, a bit so a bit meeting and Saka a year Ghana Mambrano, a year constitution, and also a bit favor and man at me Arane as Arane as the president, and as the flag bearer for the NDC, and as also at me Arane for the third year 10. Now, Arena a year. Allegedly, Abr0nyé's and same year to be say a Dúncan Williams, a boaba so for Pombi, a car, a John Dramani Mahama, artist, and also Eddie Sikapudu, a shares as of Oman Sema to say a year, and some more kind, or not to say a year 10,000 US dollars, a years of a year 25, and also 80 million more. Someone and one on one pie, my John Dramani Mahama said a bra ordinance a yam rana sources. That is also running for the third tema and couldn't deal so bet me apa at the Amaya John Dramani Mahama na also at the Ama the NDC a year political party no. Bushama is a better bread near bo a year a year a bra Yura Dúncan Williams and so at same year and no maintenance and same beyond also a can at the good Abr0nyé's so is a better bread near po a year as similar.
Kwa Abr0nyé's yo. Ono so ma Dúncan Williams aso jakoko. Oni mienu. Minim dia bana ahiafo ne asikafo se TV ne ahiafo TV it we dia ahiafo ne asikafo na be kontokwa ano den rof.
Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term.
Na Dúncan Williams ewura dem no wasonnum na osa na on the wo afura wa wi nsama na fudi nanim Robo nkrofo nyina wie ya wo se wasakra sasika na nso odi na mudi Dúncan William no machia a wo mo na se so mo ya asofo a obi anim se odi kan kwa robre edi tuo edi nkrofo sika nyina se sasika ni twa wate asori wodi mu sika nyina o se eswa afedo odi awura politics mu who bondo Dúncan William who are you no wo ya wo to o se Nyankopon nim wo teme ma Abr0nyé wo Dúncan Williams wo yi na wo kra Nyankopon asakra wo Dúncan Williams wo se nyame asakra na me a mentwinto nkum nipa da me a menkɔ robreda me na Nyankopon sakra me wo Dúncan Williams wo se Nyankopon wo sra wo so wo da wo hu bibi wo Dúncan Williams wo so ya sofo teme ma Abr0nyé ametia wo yi because of say me conconsa voice how good Father I command because of say me mo san kwase ampaye ninti me no me de nyame ni me because wo de otim bia ohinem mo mpa ne kwase ampaye ni bi meto so ne mo nkyra amanfo ne kwase ampaye na oba oteatea mu no me sa ne say Mééting ben na okoya one panyinkase pa e wo Ghana ha panyini pa ekoya ono Dúncan Williams eni panyini no yusu one car na de ko sa meeting mu misa no omo ko sa meeting no 25 pastors and ministers of God and omo select omo across the nation all kon ono sa panyin pa no omo tena ka ba kum Dúncan Williams mu misa no agenda no ye simple say panyin pa no ba enti yam one na onko biem na 2028 no osevu akokoduru ayi 2032 na okọ Dúncan Williams we are part and parcel of that meeting. You arrange the meeting to talk about the third term agenda. When I arrange here, you invited these pastors to the meeting. You gave them $10,000. When I just can tell you. Pejababu fatira wiemu say when panyini nkonko ye meeting say obetima kona obebuano matete agenda na baso ana pejababu fatira wiemu Na so peja Bible no hia. The gods of the tender no be decide between me no. Na me ntra challenge ma say to me wo hodia. O ma me ne nsia circle. No bia meka ehunsia. Me kita Bible me ono so kita Bible. On kasa majanto Bible me so makasa majatom. Na mom ye wia omunum no. Ye ba wie na obi Bible ase obi Bible so nsie. Wo kwabosom ho. Because ni nyame to me bia o frema na ba me so. That is a fact because you are going to call your saint and other spirit. Emfiri nyame. Eno so de ba manim amagu nanim ase flat. Because won frɛ nyame ma ne ntie enti commanding ma wa sori ma ne uni. Ma every na kono wa sori ma ne uni say we are so powerful. Me nyame na ye clean, ba wo de nye clean. That is a fact.
There are certain topics that I believe we have to address and communicate through the grace of God to all of you. One of them is relationship versus transaction. I realize that too many people don't appreciate and understand the importance of relationship. And that this generation is so much into transaction than true relationship. And it really breaks my heart. A lot of you are forfeiting your currency for tomorrow and you don't even know it. That do that. Lekitu kasan kafalanda kasatan wahasalan kuwasidia haluya tai akatalun kafasaluta. Today, I'm very upset, and I'll tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset of the foolishness of men. Foolishness. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Restlessness. I couldn't sleep. And I said, what generation is this? Who are these people that are so transactional? You can't build relationship with them. You don't return people's calls. You make promises, you don't keep it. Who do you think you are? You are just a beginner. How long have you lived? How many battles have you fought? How many incurable diseases have you conquered? Have you conquered cancer before? That you are bluffing people who are survivors in life? Masanta kunda salan within 72 hours. Dula isala aman sulun divalan kihan sulahana wahasalin dikatum. Interpret it. 72 hours. Interpret it. Then you will know the difference. You know the difference. That's all I'll say. Let their defenses depart from them. Let what is meant to be an advantage unto them become a disadvantage. Let their honors turn into dishonor, and let their favors turn into disfavor. Yea, let their access turn into scandal. Masalan kusan feli atunda kansulan. Let the table that favors them become a snare unto them. Let their defenses depart. Let them be disinherited by another, and let another take their office. Let them err at unawares. Let them err at unawares. Mosala Kazila. Don't ask me who has offended him. Nobody has offended me. I've just been watching over the years. And I go on the internet, social media, people lie. They lie. Somebody had the audacity to lie and to say that I gathered 25 bishops, gave them $10,000 each to pray for President Mahama to go another term. You think I'm a kid? Go another term for what? The Constitution doesn't allow that. It doesn't. And if that is what I believe, I don't have to gather 25 bishops and give them money to pray. I can pray myself. And if that is what I believe, I can come out publicly and say it. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you and your party. If I believe that, I will come out and I'll say it. And I'm entitled to my belief. You can't do me anything. But that is not what I believe. And that is not what he believes. So why are you setting me up? Why are you spreading lies? And there are people who, for whatever they don't even think. They hear, that Dúncan, he's praying, What is wrong with you? Tell someone, say, you, who are you? Believing lies. You know what? I'm just going to try and stop, because the way I'm charged today, if I don't stop, it won't be good for somebody. When you are fighting for their future, they are rather fighting you because they think you want something from them. They think you need something from them. And it breaks my heart. It really does break my heart. Because some of you who think some of us need some, I don't need anything from you. That's the sad thing. You rather need me. I really don't need you. And it's a matter of time you will find out that I don't need you and God doesn't need you. So stop the bluffing. Tell to someone, say, stop the bluffing, stop the bluffing. Yeah, stop it. Stop the bluffing, because you think somebody needs something from you. You are a joke. You are a joke. No position is permanent. There's no position that is permanent. So stop this, your bad attitude.
Someone like you made any day, any opo so I so better pro like na so subscribe to a POG political media so and tempana or better pro subscription na wa share no for so answer so to me I can no matter the economy the eba e wo my Ghana ya manyo na Nzema and I said no me actually say Dúncan Williams the Ababeku highway no so where they are called the Amadi Abr0nyé's no come here is be so aka the new patriotic party and was actually na say so also for point semi or kan idea before kan betimi so aha election na ba no 2028 besama the new patriotic party o ma say din kuku bi match say eno so enya sem kitwa na we no be ka say isi den na also for point kasa no means me the two Abr0nyé's so nam the Abr0nyé ko kind allegedly we am for evidence be am back prove and say sema on so be kan the file also point so di kan and say no me at so no so gu highway no so the new patriotic party be so call the Abr0nyé no di say on so Akuffo no sad yo no me say beto so na retain sem na aka no me that's it.
Just because you've made some 10 million, 20 million, 40 million, 50, what is all that for? It means nothing. You can lose it in a day. I've seen people with millions and they attack with a bad disease called cancer. And immediately they hear the report, they start diminishing and they begin to die, and their money can't help them. It's a matter of time. I've seen your kind and your type. Loda kusala kasala matayas. Awahasalun kilahu sulama hatayas. Who do you think you are? There's a president in one of these African countries. I went to visit him and he was mishandling somebody. So I went to intercede for the person. And he was very upset. He said, we have to punish him. And I said, Mr. President, I understand, but show some mercy, because time changes. He didn't listen. He punished the person. Few years after, another president came into office. That new president is a friend of mine. And they went after him and his vice president. They came to Ghana here to see me, to intervene. And I have to take them to see President Akuffo. I'm talking about a president. You, who are you? And you are bluffing. Honorable, how long have I known you? Honorable, Kwamina Battles. 46 years. You have no value for anybody. It's a matter of time. Malata kusalawata. Lahandu kasaland. Belutu kuhansa. Fahansatun kalindu basalaya. Let the wombs of tomorrow disadvantage you, that you may know that the Most High rules in the affairs of men. You know why I like this president and the wife Lordina? We've been relating for years before she became first lady. For years. And they are relational people. I don't like people who are arrogant. I don't care who you are. I'll stay away from you. I'm telling you. Because God resisted the proud. Pride people, I don't like them. You see the two of them? I like them. And I tell you, hear me, not because he's president. I'm just telling you. The other day I said, Mr. President, I want you to finish your term early so we can go and play golf. Yeah, I said, I don't want to play golf with you right now. Because people think, oh, because he's president. I said, finish and let's go and play golf. Because outside of him being president, when you are with him outside of president, he's a very good human being. And the wife is also like that. Very good human beings. And the reason why I believe he will do well is because he's not a new president. He's been president before. He will do better this time around because he's been here before.
Yeah. Utimi Samaya. Me bebo voice be wow party ba. Utimi Samaya was spiritually. Nka wow party ba Kevin Taylor. I say ka samana spiritually. I am saying, say, I am telling you tonight, say, someone, the third term agenda now was starting, I will stop it. Timinu, you tell me, say me promise so. Third term agenda now, what frefra, so for no binum, and my musika, I can't say at that church, the Omoya small boy, Tambiano, Womu Kurana Sewa, Womutia Wono, Mumum Painful, Mokasa, Fana. A banner send a Roman church, yes, small boy to Dúncan Williams. A banner send a Anglican church, a small church to you. Dúncan Williams, Anglican church, a small. Because who do Sika now Kasa? Anglican members, Beduachi. A banner send a Presbyterian church, a small ma Dúncan Williams. Because who do Sika now Kasa term no, Baswa, Presbyterian Beduachi, Methodist in and Soren Ketua. Now you carry yourself as a big person and to Kasa. Or at the including some sorry in a Womba Duachi. And Mamma is some Domino Bicra. Mamma,
I have learned not to fight certain battles in the flesh. I've learned to do that. I've learned to not to fight certain battles. I was with a certain president some time ago, and one of his ministers had really offended me and did me wrong. And whilst we were talking, the enemy whispered and said, this is an opportunity, finish him. And I said, no, I don't finish people that way. I know a better way to go. I know a better way. And I prayed. I said, Lord, let it not be by my hand. And let my hand be innocent of his blood. But let him hang himself at the appointed time. And he did. And my hands was free of his blood. My hands will not be guilty of any man's blood. But you hang yourself at the right time. So go ahead. Go ahead and run your mouth. Go ahead and attack. Go ahead and disrespect. Today we live in a society where people have no respect for the elderly. They have no respect for dignitaries. People can attack former president, sitting president. People like Otumfo, the Asante Hine. People can just run their mouth and attack anybody, insult anybody. Because social media gives you the freedom to do that.
You know, and you are afraid to talk about it. You didn't to or no? And the say, Nanado Danko Akuffo Upe omo influence Nanado Danko Akuffo about the National Cathedral. Omo influence Nanado Danko Akuffo Ghana about the National Cathedral. Dúncan Williams, number one. Mupa munko bisa President Akuffo. President Akuffo will tell you, say, woman influence Nanado Danko Akuffo to put up the National Cathedral. Dúncan Williams, number one. Akuffo muye. Sure. Now but Akroma hana Him&NPP now bet maybe Him&NPP need about being to the party leadership no headquarters. But me never try station ya mistake ya party dia to make come natural near we ya make catro and Him&NPP dia I brought your mistakes station where my name wife on quad obi asikanim anu kro ya me yi ni $20,000 ya man onye na de o se ma bufu am de na de be ma no na be me nko amedia oti ase ante mo ka training ha o mo sura sa mo be kana sa mo ntena ho ba me media MPP to me stop me from speaking my mind any diabolic things will be here.
Whatsoever a man sows, that he shall also reap. Make no mistake. Today, you might be sitting pretty. Yeah, you might be sitting pretty. You can eat anything you want to. You can even be sleeping on money. That is fine. It's a season. It's a season. It will not stay forever. It will pass. And another season will come. And someone else will sit where you are sitting now. You know, when Saul was king, Bishop, when Saul was king, little did he know.
More the spiritual, but you don't have the spiritual eye. If you yeah, I am a mobinum no more the spiritual, but you don't have the
That's it. So Abr0 now penny at the POG political media no see umbrella catching me political news no any daily updates no and so and from go catching on who net to the so about my Ghana amanyos. Na me share so unsubscribe still any day no go kwan so Abr0 subscription now I share no for so answer so at me can have so between command so share what doing so obetimi so about the comment section on our wedding come on POG Media man to beba na yensu abema ho e mo I me that's it. So Abr0 now come Best share.